Look at all the mags, holy shit.
Yeah. Keep right back here with roll.
That was a good briefing. See what, look at, there's a cool bunker over there.
Yeah, I was thinking I would just follow them, but yeah, I would just follow them to back them up, and then we can go to red 2 on spots. Yeah, because we'd be in and out quick.
We've moved back to the base and we got some guys behind it, so we're going to try to clear them out. Got him! Yay! Hit six, roll out. Coming in the main base, we need help here now. Oh, hit? Shot. Go, get in the village! I will. We can go full auto, burst, make him come up that hill to us. Careful, Dan. Very exciting.
50 yesterday.
I got some good forehead shots at you. Damn.